Hello everybody, Yorkshire Picker here, and today we're going to be picking on a little rim cylinder. It's made by Newstar. It's a 5-pinner. It says KS1 on top, not sure what that refers to or what it means, whether it's a clone or something, but there we are, 5-pinner. Show you a key. It's key. Let's see if we can get it open. Uses top at keyway tensioner. Oh, there we go. Got it. Okie dokie. Let's get us a shim and we'll gut it. I'm going to follow. One sec. One standard. Well, I think they're all standard to be honest with you, by the feel of it. Oh. Must have overlifted one of them. I think I've got one of the security pins in here as well. Drive pins, I mean, sorry. Yeah. Well, we'll have to see what chamber's not got one in it. Yeah, we go. It's not from one, it's not from two. Need to move shim. It's not from three either. 4 and 5. Yeah, it was from 5. Just dump springs out. Must have overlifted that pin in number 4. Let's have a look. All standards. There we go. Thanks for watching. See you next time.